Recognition of Black History Month, a Brazos Valley Museum is showcasing some rare stories and artifacts of African American life in Texas in the 19th century.
KAGS HD News reporter Ian Smith takes us inside the exhibit and shows us what the exhibit means to one local woman.
Inside Blinn College's Star of the Republic Museum lies a new kind of exhibit.
It's important because if we don't preserve it, then the upcoming generations won't have any idea of the past and what happened in this area.
We wanted to know, when did African Americans first come into Texas? And then we address the issue of slavery. And then we also look at right at the end of the Civil War when they were free.
The new exhibit, called Enduring Spirit, African Americans in 19th Century Texas, showcases artifacts from African American life in the 1800s, birth records, glasses, and even art, rare finds since slavery existed in this era.
They didn't have anything. You know, they had very few possessions, so it's always been a challenge.
This pottery right here goes back to one of the first African American stores in Texas. And get this, it's over 130 years old.
Well, it's uplifting and inspiring to know that others are interested in the culture that I'm a part of. I think that quilt over there stood out to me the most. Somebody spent an awful lot of time, you know, making that. And in those days, people took time to do the best in whatever they were doing. They put a lot into it, and they wanted to make sure that it was perfect no matter what it was.
And when asked what enduring spirit means to her,
no matter what you're going through, no matter how tough it is, no matter how hard the times are, that you have the stick-to-it spirit where you just continue to fight, continue to hold on in spite of the situation.
In Washington, Ian Smith, KAGS HD News.
Enduring Spirit runs until February of next year. It's also free on any Saturday this month. The Spirit of Texas Museum is located at Washington on the Brazos State Historical Site.